already did my eyebrows off camera, and now and I primed my face off camera as well, and I used Elf's hydrating primer, and I also use Elf's poreless face primer as well. And now time to apply my foundation, and I am using medium peach Sephora foundation and a damp beauty blender. Oh my god, I gotta clean it. Guys, so now I'm gonna do a brown, like smoky eye kind of. I know my lighting looks weird. It's been doing this lately. And my crease, I am going to use the color Desert. So I'm using the color Desert on my crease, or above my crease bone. And then I am going to use color Walnut, and I'm trying to decide if I should use the color Oak, Smolder, or this one. So yeah. I'm sorry guys if you like see me like getting really close. It's just that my vanity mirror is here and I'm blind as a bat, so my bad. So I think I'm gonna use that color Oak because it's a very beautiful color, so I'm gonna use that one instead. And that is gonna go like all through there and blend it. You'll see what I'm talking about. Okay, so I did the other eye off camera. I'm going to contour with Wet n Wild's contour stick in color, and I'm going to conceal my face with Sephora's Bright and Future concealer. Kind of like using a damp beauty blender to do that too. Also guys, I got my wisdom teeth removed last Monday. And my mouth was hurting for a few days. And then at the beginning of April, so I have to wait 3 to 4 weeks before I can get the Invisalign stuff done, so they told me to go back at the end of this month, but I have to wait till the beginning of next month because Adam is in a corporal's course right now. And for those of you who don't know what that is my husband, and he is in the military. Okay, so I put my eyelashes on. I don't feel like they look like they're on right, but honestly, I'm still practicing with putting eyelashes on because I do not wear them every day. I do not wear them all the time when I do my makeup, and you are gonna see that a lot. To complete my makeup look, I like to put eyeliner on. I don't know, sometimes I just don't think I don't look good with just lashes. Put mascara on my bottom lashes. It's time for blush and highlighter. So now for my lips, I like using this lip gloss. I have like 4 others. I'm going to use a matte lipstick from L'Oreal's 358. I love brown lipsticks. I love any dark color that, honestly, I prefer, like I said, a more like natural, like nude, like brownish like color. I don't know, I feel like it looks really good on me. I'm trying to work my way into getting into like red lipstick, but it's very rare for me to wear red lipstick. But tomorrow I think I might actually wear red lipstick. You have to stay tuned for tomorrow's get ready with me. Of this look, I'm going to set my face with Maybelline's Master Fix Studio Setting Spray. And this is the finished look.